Fingers and the thumb. Once, all the fingers of the hand ganged up against the thumb. The shapely fingers teased the thumb for being short and stout. They teased him, "Ugly thumb, ugly thumb." The thumb grew sad and decided not to be in the company of fingers anymore. He sat there unmoving. When the hand needed to write or hold anything, it couldn't. The fingers realized that even though the thumb didn't look like them, he was more useful than all of them. The fingers apologized to the thumb, and the hand began working again. Moral of the story is: unity is more important than beauty. Thanks for watching.